I think the kids are gonna be coming home early today. It's like a blizzard out here. The bus was like 10 minutes late. Yes. And I was waiting, and I called the school and I was like, are you sure? Are you sure there's school today? And they're all, it's right on time, it's right on time. I was like, she's been out there for 10 minutes. There you go. That's funny. It's covering everything. It's insane. I'm trying to record, but even when I'm recording, you really can't see, like, you can see it, but you can't see how big it is.